give us a like. Hey guys, if you're not already, go ahead and subscribe now and join us on our journey. We'd love to have you along. Also, you guys will have to let me know what you think of the footage here. Got myself a new camera because those other ones were not working, those stupid V-mates. They kept kicking out the memory card and you could hear it moving around the motor sometimes inside of it, and on top of that, it wouldn't connect to the app very well. So I just went ahead and returned those, got the money back, and got myself a GoPro 8 here. So you guys tell me what you think of this footage. I did a lot of research, a lot of stuff, and went ahead and went with the GoPro. So tell me in the comments below what you think. Slept good last night. As you guys can tell, we made it to Surfside Beach yesterday and got ourselves a good spot. Got set up here and had a good night's sleep. Now we're just gonna hang out for the week or so. Also got a good buddy coming. My good friend Kenny, I've known for a long time, coming down from Detroit, Michigan. Should be here later this evening. That'd be fun. Dogs are having a good time running the beach. Kids got their tents over here set up. We're gonna take a look. If you've never been to Surfside Beach, guys, I highly recommend it. This is our second time coming to stay in at Surfside. We'd love to come down here and just hang out. It's a beautiful beach, fun to come down to. You drive right on the beach, park for free, stay 14 days. Yeah, see, boys got their tent set up back here. This is what we're calling home for the next week. Probably go down to the jetty down here and try some magnet fishing. Maybe I'll take you guys magnet fishing. I haven't done the magnet fishing with you guys yet. We got one of those fishing magnets a while back. Fun. But Killian dug himself a hole in a wall yesterday. Tell you, there's nothing much nicer than coming out here and enjoying some coffee and walking right out your door onto the beach in the morning. 68 degrees now. Said high is 75. It's gonna have overcast here for the next day or so, but the water, you can definitely get in the water. Lots of people out hanging out in the water as it is. So the water is warmer than the swimming pool at the last campground there. But there we are, guys. That's nice to have that kind of beach access, isn't that? All right, guys. Have fun. I know I will.